How's it, guys? Welcome back to another live stream today. Obviously, this live stream is going to be a little bit special because we're getting quite a nice pump within the live. So make sure you guys do like the stream and all of that. But first off, we're getting a massive move here, guys. We're getting a big, big move. Um, I do think that we're going to see a little bit more upside today. So before I get into that, make sure you guys do like the video. I know right now we're gonna wait for a couple people to join the stream. Wait a little bit here to join. But yeah, it's a good day. Bitcoin's pumping. Everything is doing well here. So we're gonna speak about the most important levels that. Sorry. Here we go. We back. Okay, we back. Yeah, what I'm saying is Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin is breaking out of the most important level here. And yeah, overall market's looking really, really good. If you have a look at this chart right here, we do have some key levels, guys. We do have some key levels that I'm going to speak about. So essentially, yeah, Bitcoin kind of pumping, and I'm looking at a potential target of 66K, but we do need to break a 65K first. So we do need to break for 65K, which is going to be coming next year. So overall, this is going to be the fundamental, the levels here. But yeah, let's see, guys. Let's see. Have a look at this. Have a look at this on the day. Have a look at the daily, guys. Everything has flipped bullish, right? Every single coin that was bearish earlier has flipped bullish. Every single coin that has flipped bullish that was bearish is actually pumping, right? So we did take some longs today, guys. We did take some longs, and I want to speak about the most important levels for today. You can see that market's looking really, really good. Every coin is pumping. Pretty much every coin is pumping today. BNB, beautiful move here. And then we had Bitcoin obviously coming down a little bit here, but overall bullish day, and that is due to CPI, guys. So the reason why we bullish is the numbers of the CPI came out today, and basically if you look at this chart, we came out. Oh, what? Oh, that was yesterday. Yeah. So it came out negative, and neutral, right? So it came out negative and neutral. So that's obviously a big warning sign. That basically the dollar is going to get weaker. So that is why we had crypto and the whole market actually just absolutely pump so hard, right? It pumps so hard, and there wasn't even a bottom wick or anything like that. It was a straight pump to the upside. So everything's kind of looking good. Everything is kind of flipping bullish and looking good. So that is something to watch right now. Okay. And then AVAX absolutely ripping as well. ARB ripping, APT. I mean, pretty much everything, guys, is breaking levels. AKT, it's breaking at a zone that hasn't broken in the last couple of days. So we will look at that. 1,000 sats pumping hard. Pepe kind of doing nothing. 1 inch pumping so hard, guys. Up 4%. So every single coin here, guys, is up quite a lot today. So remember, don't FOMO now. You're gonna have to wait for better entries because it's exactly something that it's gonna happen, right? Might not happen right away, but think about it. The market does go down, the market does go up, and you have to wait for your entries. So right now, if you didn't really pay attention to the market in the last couple of days, then we do have potential setups. But look at this setup for 1 inch, guys. Look at this setup. So guys, I'm going to be looking at a long here for Gates. I mean, sorry, for 1 inch. I'm going to look at a potential long here for 1 inch, back up to the highs. Potentially these are going to be the targets for 1 inch, yeah. So we'll see. You can see 1 inch stop loss just below the lows here. Take profit at the highs, 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, boom. We should see, looks really good at bouncing from a key level, the daily support, right? So overall, 1 inch looking really, really good. Probably going to bounce from the zone. Bitcoin, let's have a look. Liquidation maps should be interesting. Okay, we just took out a whole bunch of levels here, guys. We just took out a whole bunch of levels. You can see all of these longs getting opened up at these levels. All of these longs getting opened up over here. So there's going to be a massive gap over here that we're probably going to see maybe some liquidation grabs or something like that. So we will see. We shall see. Okay. So overall markets kind of just popping off a little bit, looking good, looking really, really good. And then we have, I want to speak about, not this, here we go. So basically, let's speak about winners and losers of the spot ETF. So basically, you can see despite basically what it says, despite crypto evolving reputation and the ever-present questions of regulations, investors have gone mainstream with Bitcoin spot ETFs, right? So basically, this is just showing you the level of how much they have within spot ETF. You can see that 𝗕𝗵𝗆s and FBTC have the most, and GBTC is actually down, which is quite interesting. Very, very interesting. So have a look here. Also just shows you the weekly net flows for all ETFs. So yeah, it's we're really, really bullish in March, right? Yeah, like crazy bullish. And then it's kind of slowed down a little bit of a slowdown, pace reduction, if one might say, but that's about it. And then we have this over here. Ethereum trades horizontally in such ways with dump heavy on Coinbase. Yeah, so what happened with Coinbase yesterday? That was interesting, right? So Coinbase actually, let me just close this. They stopped the exchange. They put it on a temporary suspension for users. People couldn't see their money. So a lot of chaos in the market, and that's why we saw like a potential dump. I don't know, it was 2 days ago. But yeah, so Coinbase, like you can see, Ethereum products recorded 40 million of outflows last week following increased doubts surrounding spot ETF approval. That's also interesting. Ethereum could see slight increase this week in an attempt to balance previous market efficiency. That's very, very true. And that is why the CPI data just came out. And we had a massive move, guys. Massive move. So yeah, but it's interesting. Coinbase, like they always have this problem. So I don't know why users actually use Coinbase. I would not use Coinbase after something like this happened. Yeah, so this is basically smart money token watcher. So token versus benchmark. So basically, the dark line is your token performance since the start date. Green line is ETH performance, and the orange line is Bitcoin performance as well. Okay, so you can see that Ethereum's literally just been outperforming everything, which is crazy. And then token versus Bitcoin kind of the same, a little bit higher token performance wise. And then you can see price ERC20 getting a lot lower, guys, getting a lot lower, which is absolutely crazy. So this line shows you the demonstrated denominated in the US dollar over time's decentralized earnings. Okay, so you can see it's getting a little bit lower. Holders count by size. You can see that, I mean, it's just getting absolutely crazy. It's getting absolutely crazy. You can see literally just people accumulating dolphins, a lot of dolphins, which basically mean they have greater than 100K. And essentially, this is what they're doing, right? So they've named it. The first one is whale, the second one is shark, the third one is dolphin, then fish, then crab, and then shrimp. So, like, I mean, it's quite funny, depending on how much value you have, how much wealth you got, and all of that. Token amounts. Okay. So have a look at this. This will be in the description, guys. And then this over here, Coinbase Premium MACD, you can see over here, this is what they are saying. You can see when this line bottoms, we temporarily go for bounce. So we can see on the trend of Coinbase Premium, as long as leading indicator of the future direction of Bitcoin price, as you can see from the data, when Coinbase Premium trend is 1, right, negative, is negative, and then reverses from the downtrend to uptrend, the price has rebounded, and it's a good example of grayscale. So you can see it's quite easy to see on the chart, but very interesting, right? Very, very interesting. But yeah, there's not much else, guys. It's going to be a short live today. I don't think that I have much else here to show you. Not much data today. Obviously, just quite bullish. Went over the targets for Bitcoin. Went over everything. And yeah, that's that. I do appreciate everyone joining today. I hope you guys are doing well. It is Wednesday, so there's 2 more days until the weekend. So yeah, I do appreciate it. We will be live again on Friday as well. Friday we will be live once again. And then yeah, we will see you there. We might have a lot more upside this week, guys. It looks like we are breaking bullish with most coins, right? So be careful, trade safe. Peace out. See you on Friday. Have a good tomorrow.